Right after our summer Kickstarter campaign ended unsuccessfully, I started preparing for the school year in earnest. I agreed to teach 1.5 full-time schedules during the first semester to cover my friend's maternity leave. During this time, I made a series of videos and animations for my advanced biology class, and I brushed up on advanced physics concepts. While I was doing that, Jaylene began working on FizzWizard, her art shop. She created many new pieces during this time. She was busy drawing, painting, screen printing, and bookbinding. I continued working in my sketchbook and posting my work on my own Etsy shop. I'm posting this because for the past 3 weeks, we've been preparing an installation of our Cutie and the Creep work for the Takoma Park Community Center. In order to display our animation work, we had to build some new sets, props, and dolls. We also had to modify some old props, sets, and dolls. Here's a little montage to show you some of what's gone into putting the show up, and a virtual tour of the finished show.
All I really have to say is I'm not me without you. The disbelievers here may scoff, but they don't have a clue about what has become of us in these years. The silk that's been spun, how impossible for it to
I hope you enjoyed this installment of Cutie and the Creep, and we'll see you soon.